to Crafting with Ty and Friends. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Hit the notification button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Today I have 3 new templates to show you guys. And we're going to start with our Sour Punch template. I finally was able to create this. There's about 3 Sour Punches inside because I have already been eating them. But this is the template. All 3 of these templates will be loaded to my Patreon page. So if you would like to become a pledger to my Patreon page, the link is located in the description. I think it is $25 a month. You get access to a lot of templates. Ready-made templates, PNG images, SVG images. It's just a whole lot of things you can use for your business if you are doing party planning, party decor, etc. So let's introduce our second new template of the day, and it's the Little Debbie Marshmallow Pie. I love these things. These are the ones that come, I think, in a package of 6. And I think they also have a package of 12. It's not the 50-cent ones you get at the store. These are the snack ones you can put in your lunch pails. I will be eating this one as soon as this video is done and uploaded. And we have another Little Debbie snack, which is our Little Debbie Brownie. These are also the snack packs that comes in package of 6 and I think again 12. This is not the 50-cent ones you get at your local store. These are the snack ones that you can put in your children's lunchbox. So again, these will be on our Patreon page. So all Patreon pledgers will be able to have access to all 3 templates in Publisher, Words, PNG format. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends. Happy crafting.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.